Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this Photoshop tutorial, you will learn how to design a professional real estate flyer that looks modern and print ready. Open a new canvas with a clean white base. Divide your layout into three keys areas. Property image at the top, property detail in middle, and contact info at the bottom. Import a high quality photo of the house or building and overlay a soft gradient to help the text stand out. Use bold sans serif fonts for highlights, headings, dream home for sale, add icons for bedrooms, bathrooms, and price highlights to make the flyer more visual. Include a QR code or company logo for branding. Adjust color to a neutral scheme, and you will